Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the teachers pay teacher as per on your demand. You guys were asking how you can sell your worksheet, your templates, and whatever format you're using for your class, you can sell on teachers pay teacher. So let's discuss that for today's video. If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing and press the bell icon. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me. Let's start today's video. So what you need to do, you need to go to the Google and you need to type here teachers pay teachers. Okay, so first I will show you what all if someone will come and to want to buy, how they can see. So see here, for example, I will say winter solar streak. Okay, are you a science teacher? So I'll write science book notebook rubrics. Okay, so I want this for my notebook, so I'll check. See, I can find many rubrics here. This is one is very good. I feel they have given all the details and it's just for $1. So that's how I can this one, add to one cart. I'll just add to the cart and I can buy. Same, for example, I'll say science worksheet I need to buy. Then it will come like this. These are the worksheets: scientific method worksheet, science of gratitude. So whatever, like for example, I want the digestive system worksheet, right? So I'll write digestive system worksheet. I know the spelling is okay, whatever. So this is like in $3, $1.50, and this is 1.2. These all worksheets are there and you can just see the preview, and they have the print and the Google. They show the preview also here. So I'll see the preview. I need to log in here. So you can see this one preview here, and then if you feel, you can buy. So that's how the other teachers will see your worksheets, your templates, and they will buy it from here. Now how you can do, so you can register and you just log in with your email ID. That is as similar as we do in the Facebook. Now what you need to do, you need to go to your name here, and can you see here become a seller? So I'll go and become a seller. I'll click here. So now you need to fill your details and your everything here. For example, let me fill. Okay, they are asking for the PayPal email address also. So you must have a PayPal email address, and I don't have. Let me see if it will give me with mine one. Okay, so now I just fill that form and I'm coming here. Now it's showing how much is earning this month and everything. Now I want to add any product, I want to sell any worksheet, so I'll click here, add new product, and then I can do it from here. Google, from again Google Drive link or bundle of resources from where I want to add it. For example, I want to add from the Google Drive. See if I have any file, I'll share it. So it will come a name of the product. For example, I'll say I have this fraction worksheet which I want to sell, and then describe and write anything, the description about the worksheet. The spelling is wrong. Okay, and then you attach this. They will show the preview, and then the thumbnail which you want to show, like how the product will look like when somebody will see from outside. What is the price, or you want to sell it for free, which category it belong, grade 9, 10, or which class that format belongs to. And then okay, and if you are sharing any template, you can choose that not grade specific, like maybe आपका कोई behavior sheet है everything, so you don't have to choose a class for that. So you fill all these details, and any copyright, if someone is using it, so are you want to claim any copyright for that, you need to choose that, and then you just submit. And when you will someone will buy, then you can see it from here. One second. So you can see here your full statement, how much you are earning, like that it will come, Suchita Devender, and this is how like you will and you must have a PayPal account. So what you need to do, first you go and make your PayPal account so that you will get the earning there. Then you will register on the Teachers Pay Teacher, and then go to the My Seller, and then start adding the things. Whatever template you are making, you just add it, and that will be an extra earning for you. As a teacher, we always prepare many documents for our class, isn't? So just start adding one by one to your teacher PayPal account, and if people will buy, that will be an extra earning and a side hustle for you. But if you are something like, for example, you have a vacation, right? You are on your vacation, summer vacation is going on, winter vacation is going on, that time you can use, for example, you want to earn some extra bucks, so you prepare some good document, do good templates, good worksheets, and then start selling them on the Teachers Pay Teacher. There are many teachers. I've seen my colleague who are a mother and who doesn't have time, so they do like to spend $1 or $2, and they like to buy. So you keep the price minimalistic. Don't keep it so high that people will not like to invest in that. So just keep $1 or maybe $0.50, something like that, so that it will be easy for them. And teacher, if you are in India and you are updating, you are uploading your documents from India, but teacher from all over globe, they can see your template and they want to buy, they can buy it, and they will pay in your PayPal accounts. So that's how the Teachers Pay Teacher works. If you still have any doubt, it's very simple. It's like Facebook. You're uploading your pictures, and that is just they're asking you to fill the details over there when you want to sell it out, right? So you can work it as simple as, but it will be a side hustle. Anyways, you are a teacher, you have to do that, isn't? But if you do in a very good way and you want to sell it, so it will be an extra earning for you. That's all for today. It's a short video, but I think informative one. You guys were asking for it, and if you like the video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.